How did you? What do you mean you lost it?
I had an accident, right? Then,
You had an accident?
yeah, that was my last 2 months.
Uh-huh.
I just got this phone. So the iCloud, so that from the password, and I misplaced it. And all my information are in my notebook on the phone. So I misplaced literally everything. So when I'm just...
But you should still have the password though, no?
I couldn't get to that. I don't know who logged it in again. But there's a guy that's managing all those things for me. I don't know why, but he said when I get back now, we're going to fix everything and come up with it. So when I do, I will give you a heads up.
It makes sense to do it because you never know. Somebody might see one video and it goes viral and everybody learns more about you and then you can put your business up there.
Yeah.
So much stuff you can do.
I
See, this is the store I said they had the African store?
Yeah.
Or the store with African clothing?
Yeah, should go there.
Huh?
Should go there.
No, I want to go to the market and get stuff, but that's too expensive in comparison to the market.
Like that stuff you said now, you said the other time, like you can't go to Nigeria now, right? Like you see a space in the mall that is specific for traditional stuff like this. So
Well, I do want to go get my grandmother something and my mother something, so let's walk around and then we can go back.
But don't come and get here. You can get this side now.
At the market.
Nah, the other side. Don't worry.
That's what I say, at Susie. That's the market. On the side of the street.
Yeah. Those are the very
That's what I was saying.
They are fully.
Oh, this is only Burger King? The whole upstairs is Burger King?
Yep.
So it's
Want
only...
to check?
Okay, yeah. Oh, it's a movie theater too. The Guardians is crazy, son. Look, I've never seen these movies before. The Guardians. I don't think we can walk in the movie theater. That's a movie theater though.
Yeah, there's a conversation. There's popcorn, there's fair, some nice movies.
You ever see a movie theater? You go to movie theaters?
No.
You never been to movie theaters?
You don't have that time.
Oh, you work too much. I feel like
I'll come and see you probably tomorrow.
free time?
Just come and chill.
You have free time?
I'm not doing anything yet. Just home.
Okay. And he had the red carpet.
It's not like
It's like the red carpet for when you're famous. That way.
so which are you doing?
Oh, let's go this way. Oh, they're all exits. I have Oh, you want to try?
You can just go answer this question. It's free, right?
Yeah. I mean, listen, you go. I'm gonna follow your lead.
These are the prices.
No, it's the number to indicate the fragrance. So you can just pay for it.
This is the number to indicate the fragrance.
Yeah.
Okay. And the gold are the women's and the black are the guys? It's all men?
Oh. So it's you.
I have them,
No,
but
it's mixed. Like we have females, we have males,
Okay,
depending on the.
okay.
So we have the spicy. I mean, like it's a mix. We have the frosted, we have the sweet, we have the vanilla. So from there, if you choose any, I will give you a sample to try and see if you have it.
and what's like the price range of all of them?
Sorry?
Like what is the price range? Like how much?
Okay, we have the 100 ml for this fragrance for 900 cedis. And for this fragrance, 100 ml is 700. 700. And if you buy any of the 100 ml If we do have 350, that's for the 50 ml. Half of this, yeah. So you can choose any fragrance, then you get it to the 50 ml.
Let me show this first one.
And that's 126.
Let me show this one.
Okay.
Mom's fine. Style.
So I was confused. I was trying to figure out which one was girls, which one was guys.
Style.
All of them mixed, right?
Yeah, they are mixed.
That's amber spicy,
Yeah.
amber citrus, or fresh spicy amber.
The small one. The black one.
Okay, like that.
It's hard.
It's hard, right?
What is it? What is this?
This coffee.
It's coffee.
What does the coffee do?
It's the rest that because we have a whole lot of fragrance.
Yeah, that's what I said. I can smell everything. I don't know.
Yeah.
You like it?
I couldn't smell it the first time because the coffee. I mean, because the other. I never heard that. So put the coffee, just really smelling.
You want it at this one?
That one smells better.
You want it?
Oh, I got one for me. As you said.
You can next to the 50 ml.
That would be how much?
150.
That is what my daughter
So you want the 350?
Let me check this time.
Sorry?
Let me check next time.
Next time.
It's cool. You can check anything. No one is angry.
Oh,
We have
see,
conversations.
in most
Like
places,
these clothes now, you can check them.
most places, what happens is when you do it, and you don't buy it. You're like, ah.
No, don't do that. That's how they call it. Supermarket. How they call it more. Now they are marketing their product. You can go to have an idea of how it is, how it was. So next time you can come and buy. So it's not only mean that you must buy it now. No. You don't want to do this advert with these girls with BBL. Let's go.
I don't want to do what with BBL.
Yeah. You don't want to interview with these girls with big combo.
Nah.
I can organize one for you.
Nah. Oh wait. You said you could organize one for me.
I'm not doing it.
You wait, because I didn't hear what you were saying.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can organize one for you.
For a girl with BBL.
Yeah, you just answer some silly questions. Why do you have to go to the stress of
I would.
Because you have to.
See, a girl with a BBL, I would ask to dance. I wouldn't ask